few years ago, I thought becoming a better developer meant learning new frameworks. So I kept consuming more tutorials, more courses, more best practices, more videos about the newest tech stack that was apparently going to change everything. And honestly, for a while it felt productive. I could build things, I could follow along, I could recreate projects. But whenever I faced a real problem on my own, everything started falling apart. I remember sitting in front of my screen for hours trying to fix bugs that should have been simple. Not because I was incapable, but because I didn't truly understand what was happening underneath. I was depending too much on patterns I had memorized from other people, and I think a lot of developers experience this at some point. You learn enough to build, but not enough to think clearly when things stop working. That's when I came across the idea of first principles thinking. At first, it sounded overly philosophical, like one of those concepts people talk about to sound smart online. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized I have been avoiding fundamentals for a long time. First principles thinking is actually very simple. Instead of asking, how do people usually solve this? You slow down and ask, what is this problem really asking? That small shift changed the way I approach development completely. For example, when I was learning authentication, I used to treat it like a recipe. Install JWT, create middleware, store tokens, and done. But I never deeply questioned why things were designed that way. Why do access tokens expire quickly? Why are refresh tokens stored differently? Why are cookies considered safer in certain situations? What problem each layer actually solving? Once I started asking those questions, authentication stopped feeling like magic. It started feeling logical, and that feeling is hard to describe unless you have experienced it yourself, because there's a huge difference between copying a solution and understanding the reason the solution exists. The same thing happened with front-end development as well. Earlier, whenever I learned a new framework, I focused too much on the framework itself. I wanted to memorize APIs, patterns, hooks, libraries, but eventually I realized most frameworks are just solving the same underlying problems in different ways. State management, rendering, data flow, caching, synchronization. Once you understand the fundamentals deeply, learning new tools become much less intimidating and honestly, a lot more enjoyable too. I think first principles thinking also changed the way I learned. I stopped trying to rush through everything, stopped trying to become job ready as quickly as possible, stopped measuring progress by how much tutorials I completed. Now when I learn something, I spend more time sitting with the concepts, thinking about them, breaking them apart, trying to understand why they exist in the first place. And weirdly enough, that made me learn faster. Not instantly faster, but deeper, more permanent. There's also something very calming about understanding fundamentals, because trends stop controlling you. Every few months, the internet starts screaming about a new framework or tool or AI product that is supposedly replacing everything. And before, that used to make me anxious. Now it doesn't affect me as much, because underneath all the trends, the core ideas remain the same. Good engineering is all about understanding problems clearly. That's really it. And I think that's what separates developers who stay dependent forever from developers who can adapt to almost anything. Not intelligence, not talent, just the ability to think clearly instead of blindly following patterns. I still use tutorials, I still learn from other developers, I still make mistakes constantly. But now, whenever I'm building something, I try to pause and ask myself, what problem am I actually solving here? That single question has probably improved my development skills more than any course I have ever taken. And honestly, I think this applies to more than programming. A lot of people spend years collecting information without ever slowing down enough to truly understand anything deeply. But depth changes you. Once you experience real understanding, surface level learning starts feeling empty. And maybe that's the biggest thing first principles thinking gave me. Not just better technical skills, but confidence. The confidence that even if I don't know something today, I can sit with the problem long enough to figure it out. And as a developer, that's probably one of the most valuable skills you can build. Consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like if this video helped you in any way. I am documenting my journey as a solo developer, building SaaS products, learning deeply, and trying to turn ideas into something meaningful. I'll see you in the next video.